Okay, this is the type of weather I've been having all winter long. Very rarely have I had any sunny days, and this is why I haven't flown any drones. I haven't taken any aerial video, which I really want to do. You see what's going on here is 2.5 hours to the south is a big body of water that is warm, mixed with cold air coming out of the north. Creates for some awful weather here when you're living this close to the Gulf of Mexico. So yeah, this is what I have here, and this is why I've been doing a lot of modifications and whatnot. So with that said, now you know exactly why I haven't been flying my Bebop 2. The Bebop 2 requires a lot of lighting, a lot of good lighting in order to capture perfect type of video. So I haven't been flying it. And before I get into tonight's modification, I'm gonna go ahead and say something that's deep on the bottom of my heart, and that's the fact that I really like this whole YouTube community that we have going on here. I appreciate everybody that subscribes to me, and in fact, as soon as I know that they are a new subscriber, guess what I do? I subscribe right back. And that's exactly what we should do in this flying community, to come together as a family. I mean, there's some great people out there that are making these videos, pouring their heart out, trying to share this hobby with everybody else out there. You have Rolex 0071 in Ireland. You have MD95 TSI. He's a straightforward guy. You have Kim in Canada, who can't buy the Force1 deals because he lives in Canada. You got, was it Fat Man Blobbing, or Blobbing with Fat Man? Everybody who subscribes to me, man, I cherish you guys. Cockpit View, you're out there too, and you're always commenting on my videos, and we're going back and forth. I try to get to everybody's video. It is getting kind of hard to do so. The other night when I got home from work, I spent all night doing nothing but commenting and watching people's videos. It's getting hard. Oh, Crystal Justice, I love you too. You are great. So yeah, there's a lot of good people out there in YouTube land, and you know, I just love sharing this with people who have been discovering my videos. People have been, and if they discover my video, they're going to discover your video, and it goes on and on and on. I know a lot of people originally tuned into me because of the Parrot Bebop 2. I know it's a very popular drone. There's a lot of Parrot Bebop 2 owners out there. Yes, I still own the Parrot Bebop 2. I love my Parrot Bebop 2. I still fly that, but I only fly that in the right conditions. And in the meantime, you saw exactly the type of weather that I have outside, and I really can't justify setting that up and taking video that's going to be just crap. So what I do here on the off time, in the winter time, when it's just absolutely awful weather outside for any type of camera drone type of flying weather, is I do little modifications. But anyway, guys, I do appreciate you. I really do. MD95 TSI, you are top dollar. Rolex, you are top dollar. Everybody is top dollar that tunes into my channel, watches my crappy videos. You guys are great, and I love this. I love this flying community. Oh, Captain, you are a wonderful guy. You're a straightforward guy as well. The buildup is to put this kit on here so I can attach an action. All right, let's get back to it. This is the Cymark kit for the Bugs 2. This will actually fit the Bugs F200 as well, because the F200 is the same thing as the Bugs 2. Sorry about the sound, a lot of plastic. But I did, not last night, but 2 nights ago, I went ahead and spray painted this body kit a nice shiny black. It's gloss black. It's just some paint that I got at the local hardware store, and because this was white and this happens to be black, and so I want to match them up. It comes with some screws, some clips, clips, and a little Phillips screwdriver, more clips here, and more stuff that I spray painted. It's not perfect, but it'll work. It comes with a action cam mount, nice dampened action cam mount for this will actually fit the Bugs 3 as well. Bugs 2 for when I do this kit. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on pause, and I'm gonna go ahead and build this out, and when I come back it'll be this will at least be built. So we'll talk to you in just a second. Okay, I went ahead and attached the legs to it. It's 2 small Phillips, or actually, you see here, 2, 4, 6, 8 Phillips screws, because it comes with a Phillips head little screwdriver. The problem with this is there's absolutely no instructions. I knew exactly where the legs were going to go, but the fact that it comes with a packet of rubber, some grommets up here, it looks like some plastic washers, some extra dampeners, rubber dampeners here, and another bag of screws. I absolutely have no clue whatsoever what I'm doing because it comes with no instructions. Now this kit is $26 off of eBay if you so choose to buy it, but be known, you're kind of on your own. I haven't seen any other videos out there showing me exactly what to do, where everything goes. So I guess I'm the first, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do my best. So wish me luck. Okay, I managed to get the F200 in the tray, the holder, the thing I just built out. Kind of snugly fits in there, but I'm not too certain if it goes in like that because it just kind of pops right in, nice and snug. But one thing that's confusing me is this right here. I don't know if these are extras. This package is extra for this. It doesn't appear to be. I don't know if it's the intention is to have some dampener between this and the F200 itself to minimize the vibration to the camera. I don't know. Well, here, let me show you. I don't know this because this is where the camera is going to slide in. That's where the mount itself is going to slide right in, nice and easy right there. But I have no idea exactly what I'm doing. I'm on my own. In fact, I think what I did is I kind of got this backwards, maybe. But I'm going to go ahead and figure this out. So I'll come right back to you. All right, this gives you a little bit better idea of what I have here. I have the mount already on for the camera underneath the already on the stand itself. I actually think this is going to give it a little bit better stability than my Bugs 3 or my F100. The reason why this has GPS and altitude hold and whatever, but one thing I'm gonna have to figure out is these right here. These I think have to be attached to here, which gets attached to the body. I'm gonna figure that out and I'll come right back. Okay, I'm gonna lay on the sarcasm really thick. I'm just gonna say wow. This is an epic fail. These clips, I was hoping to turn this thing into like a quick release with these little clips. I could never figure out what all these screws are for. I think somehow on here underneath, I don't know if you can see, under the light here, there is a screw hole right there. I think you have to take the screw out of the frame of the Bugs 2, so I was not willing to take them out and possibly strip them out, the screws of the Bugs 2, just to get this thing on there. So I decided not to do that. And with these clips not working, in fact, these clips breaking off at the tip there, and this is the only way to get this mount on here is with zip ties. So to me, not having the ability for a quick release mount, this is going to be a fail for me. Although this is going to be much stronger, I know. But I was trying to figure out where these go, because it came with these little adapters right here and these little tips. Now I don't know if somehow it is for vibration in there. Plus it came with all kinds of little foam padding and no instructions. That's another fail, no instructions. Trying to figure this out on your own and trying to make something look good that you know, well, I'm going to use it. I'm going to zip tie all four and clip off the ends and use it and see, and just to see how it is. And if it does work, I'll just leave it on there, because really I haven't been using my F200 for one reason. I was trying to figure out exactly what this quadcopter wanted to be. Yes, it's steady, GLONASS, GPS, altitude hold. It's rock solid and steady. However, the 1080p cam is not stabilized. It's okay, but it's nothing that you can actually use in any type of real footage, except if you want to go ahead and show somebody, you know, your flight. That's about it. It's okay for FPV, but you know, nothing for cinematic quality, and nothing even compared to the 1080p cam in the Spark or the Bebop. So that's why I want to go ahead and put a decent action cam on there, you know. So fail, $26. Well, at least it has a mount that you can take off and put on your Bugs 3. That's a nice dampened mount, much better than the one that comes with the Bugs 3 or the F100. Plus, if you see here, it's kind of has a GoPro style adapter, so that can come in handy. But for $26, I'd buy this separate, but I don't think I would. You know, these legs are nice, but no, I don't want that. It's just, you know, it's going to mar up the finish on my F200, my Bugs 2. But I'm going to use it. I'm committed now. I bought it. I'm not going to send it back because I spray painted it. So yeah, sorry about the shakiness. Now, MD95 TSI, if you can go ahead and tell me if there's anything out there that's an ultra lightweight gimbal, I mean a micro gimbal, anybody out there, a micro gimbal that'll support a Firefly Hawkeye Q6 or Hawkeye Firefly Q6, which is a 4K action cam. This is actually really light, much lighter than this right here, than something like this. But if you can go ahead and let me know if there's anything that is a ultra lightweight. It doesn't have to be 3-axis, just a 2-axis gimbal is fine for this. I think now it's not going to. This thing is not going to carry a walk carry gimbal, a G2D or a G3D or anything like that. It just doesn't have enough grunt. But for a micro lightweight gimbal, perhaps for an action cam for something like this. So let me know. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the zip ties on it. You guys have a good night. Subscribe if you like. We'll talk to you later.